Okay, I just built this nice new PC to do my video editing on. People wanted me to do a build video, even though I've never built a PC before, and I've never watched a build video, and I don't know what I'm doing, so I just took all of my footage and recorded over it. This is that. Okay, you guys wanted a PC build video for some reason, I don't know, but let's do it. Here's the components. We've got a power supply there, motherboard, here's the processor, we have RAM, 16 gig of RAM there, solid state drive, 240 gig, and hard drive, 2 terabytes, and a big old box to put them in. Yeah. I want to thank Build a PC subreddit and YouTube, obviously, which has been teaching me how to do everything I do, pretty much, in life.
I see. Fascinating.
No graphics card yet. I'm going to see how it performs without one. If anybody has a spare graphics card going, let me know. Before you start, got to fondle a radiator. Make sure the static, doesn't build up. Oh yeah, this is me trying to open the box for the power supply one-handed.
There. Get out
Surprisingly difficult.
Leave the screws in. I can't do it one-handed. No, whatever, that'll do. Unboxed.
This is putting the power supply in. I put it with the fan facing up rather than down, even though there is vents in the bottom there. Just to get better airflow throughout the whole case, but I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe it's not the right way to do it. Got the other panel off here so we can feed cables through. Yeah, that panel goes on there. Yeah, good demonstration, yeah. So the whole power loom comes through there, and then we can feed things back through, so they're kind of out of the way. Here's me opening the thing and then realizing that there's a little slot there, so I don't need to do that.
So we have the thing, we have the caddy, and then you gotta put this in there like that.
There she is.
Perfect.
Done.
This was a bad time because I just dropped the screw and I decided to switch out for a screwdriver that's actually magnetic. It works a lot better.
Oh, come on.
Well, it works okay. This is hot screwing action. There it is.
Nice.
And that's the wrong screw.
Oh, this is too small. This is the wrong size. Yeah, these two are different.
There we are, close up. That's the money shot. Right there. That's what the people want to see. Possibly. Focus! You fuck.
There it is.
I don't know what...
Screwed in.
Like, what do people look for in a...
Okay, now we are plugging in the power supply for the hard drive. Yeah, solid state drives are so light, there's nothing to them. It's like I feel like I got ripped off. And it's even smaller on the inside, look, see? So tiny. Because the plastic caddy thing is designed for full-size hard drives, it's kind of tricky to affix it properly, kind of a fiddly job. Once you get the first fastener in, the other ones can line up, but that first one's pretty tricky.
Definitely the first screw is the most awkward.
This makes a very satisfying click when you push it in. Click.
Yeah.
This goddamn backplate. This piece of crap. I hate them. I hate them so much. This screwed us up a lot.
Right, now the scary bit. Installing the CPU. This is where things can get broken. Okay, so I got my little...
That's my way of saying,
too
far. I can't reach it.
And...
Put in. And then this just hinges closed like a rusty drawbridge. then the whole thing goes flying. Wonderful. Here we're putting in the RAM. This is, if you're wondering on the proper technique how to put in RAM, it's not this. It's not that. Don't do that. You gotta put it in straight. Yeah, like that. And then apply just a terrifying amount of force to it. You just gotta press down on it really hard. There we are. And now the second thing of RAM, the second stick here does not go there. That's the wrong place to put it. If you're only using 2 of your 4 slots, you have to use the first and the third slot. And we're just mounting the cooler for the CPU. Now we're filming the floor. It's good. This is top quality stuff. Okay, we're back on the processor. And you can use the processor cooler as a handle to pick up the whole motherboard.
You know what they say, 9th time's the charm.
So that's good. Here we're putting in all of the little cables for the lights and the buttons and everything. We have this extremely helpful diagram. Very clear. I don't even know what's happening in this shot. We're building the PC. And power. We have life. We have lights. And action. And camera. So, pretty good. Got a nice little glowing effect there. That comes with the motherboard. Cable routing stuff. Just getting everything sort of out of the way. Cable tying it in place and stuff. Very professional. We get to peel off the plastic. This is really what I live for. The peeling of the plastic. The audio for this is great too, but I can't include it because a friend of mine is playing The Last of Us, like the last level of The Last of Us, so it has massive spoilers in it. So yeah, we can't really use the audio. Right, now we have a monitor. This is a borrowed monitor. Thanks, Chris, for lending the monitor. We have everything plugged in. And it turns on. Turns on first time. The fan switches don't seem to work properly, but that's okay, the fan works. Setting up the BIOS. And yeah, I mean, that's the thing pretty much made. Wow, fantastic camera work. Sorry to anyone who gets motion sickness. Check out my mouse. That mouse cost me a whole pound. Oh yeah, this is just a test of how long it takes to boot. Yeah, it's pretty quick.
That's pretty good.
Quick enough for me. Especially because I never turn off my machine. This is just a little time-lapse type thing we took, a series of photos as we built the thing. And we're going to finish with this. If you want more of this kind of behind-the-scenes, terrible quality content, let me know. We can do more. I hope you enjoyed.